Assalamualaikum and good night everyone. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Muhammad AUZER. I'm from Group C. I want to introduce my group's member. First is TARUUN, second is SURIZA, and the third is FATIN NABILAH. We like to visit our discussion meeting with our group project. Okay, for the first one, I would like to share about the background of the project. Natasha Rizal established a convenience shop called Net Enterprise that sell household items. Natasha had set up the business during her undergraduate degree program to cover her immediate needs. However, business grew beyond expectation as she sold her product using social media and the Shopee platform. So, her product reached more customers. Upon completing her degree program, Natasha Rizal decided to open a retail outlet for customers that do not have an online presence. Her ability to deliver high-quality product and render good customer service significantly contribute to the success of her business. In less than 2 years, she opened more outlets in other parts of the country to meet the growing demand for her product. Selling Net Enterprise won a contract to supply household items to families of food victims. This contract was the turning point for Net Enterprise at its bid and won several other contracts for household supplies from big organizations. Okay, next.
Okay, my name is Tarun, like what my leader Afiq said, so I'm going to continue the paragraph. Consequently, the expansion of Net Enterprise requires an immediate injection of funds into the business to meet the growing demand of customers for its products. Natasha Rizal had approached a bank with the possibility of getting a soft loan to meet the increasing demand in operating costs. However, a condition is for Natasha Rizal to provide the financial statement of Net Enterprise for the current reporting period. Therefore, Natasha Rizal sought the service of an accounting intern to draw up an unadjusted trial balance as of 31st December 2022. Still, she needed the assistance of an accounting expert to prepare the financial statement. Likewise, Net Enterprise is handling a high quantity of stock due to recent growth being experienced uh, in her business. Since Natasha Rizal is not accounting literate, there have been troubles with stock management. For instance, some inventory of products in large quantities had gone obsolete before being sold. Also, some products could not meet customers' demands because there was no adequate inventory system to show the level of stock available in the store. The stock management problem is of great concern to Natasha Rizal as she foresees the possibility of running into losses and losing her customers if urgent action is not taken to address the anomalies. The
So,
unadjusted, I would like to this is the unadjusted trial balance for 30th November 2022, and I would like to uh, what I would like my friend Fatin Nabila to proceed with it.
okay, my name is Watin. Now we will distribute the element. So the first one is cash, is current asset. Second, account receivable, current asset. Uh, Merchandise inventory, current asset. Office suppliers, also current asset. Other than that is sales suppliers, current asset. Prepaid insurance, current asset. Long-term investment, non-current asset. Office equipment, non-current asset. Accumulated disposition, office equipment, contract asset. delivery van non-contra asset, accumulated depreciation, delivery van, contra asset, account payable, current liabilities, salaries payable, current liabilities, and interest payable also current liabilities. So next.
Hi, my name is SURIZA. I will continue with the next element, which is unearned revenue. It's current liability, notes payable, current liability, capital Natasha Rizal, sales, withdrawal Natasha Rizal, sales, sales returns and allowance, sales discounts, expenses, advertising expenses. Next, I will pass to Afiq.
Okay. Depreciation expenses, office equipment expenses, depreciation expenses, delivery van expenses, delivery van repairs and maintenance expenses, cost of Mercedes sold expenses, sales salaries expenses, sales supply expenses. Next, Tarun.
Thank you, Afiq. And then now I would like to continue. Insurance expense comes under expense. Office salaries expense is also expense. Office supplies expense is also expense. Rental expense, utility expense, and interest expense all come under expense.
Okay, for the additional information, the following item, sorry. The following items are related to cash transactions throughout the year. Cash and cash equivalents as of 1 January 2022 were 554,500. Number one, Natasha Rizal made a total cash withdrawal of 27,500 ringgit in 2022. It's debit withdraw credit cash. Next, Afiq.
2. Net enterprise received cash 10,000 from the disposal of an old van, so investment increase. Okay, next.
The next one is number 3. Number 3 is Natasha Rizal invested in additional cash 155,000 to increase her stake in enterprise. I think the answer is F plus increase is TARUUN.
Okay, so number 4, net enterprise bought land for for future operational expansion by paying 180,000 in cash. So if you ask me, I would say that debit land 180,000 ringgit and credit cash 180,000 ringgit. Thank you.
So now we move to Excel. For statement profit or loss of a net enterprise, the gross profit that we get is 1,693,393 ringgit. And for the net income is 2,061,889 ringgit. Next is honest equity statement.
Okay. Now for the honest equity statement, Natasha results capital. The capital at 1st January 2022 is 684,000. Then net income for the year is 2,061,889. Thanks for explaining it just now, Fatin. And this income we deduct with withdrawals, which is 27,500 ringgit, and in total we would get 2,034,389 ringgit. And this answer have we have to plus with the beginning capital, which is 684,000, and we would get a total of 2,718,389 ringgit. That is Natasha Rizal's capital at 30th November 2022.
Next is statement of financial position for net enterprise. Um, current for assets, total current asset is 1,430,516. For total asset, 2,498,716. For liabilities, current total liabilities at 145,099. For owner's equity, total liabilities and owner's equity is 1,529,099. Next.
Okay, a statement of cash flow. Net cash flow from operating activity 60,000. Net cash flow from investing activity 117,000. And net cash flow from financing activity is 122,500. And the cash as November 30 November 2022 with 537,000. Okay, that's all for me. And so I think that in the end of our part discussion, right?
Yes.
Anybody want to add more or we can hear?
No, I think it is enough.
Yeah, nothing from me too, Afiq.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Nothing from info.
Okay, so we end here. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.